To register your child for a summer activity or athletic camp, you need to start by going to your Infinite Campus portal and then logging in under Campus Parent. And then you can go to School Store and you will be able to shop for the summer camp registration. So click Shop. And then you can do the activities or athletic summer camp. Click Products. And this will let you know what is available for your students. If you see levels 1, 2, 3, and 4, in general, level 1 means incoming freshman, level 2 means incoming sophomore, level 3, incoming junior, and level 4, incoming senior. If you are unsure about what level to select, you can always ask your student's coach or activity sponsor. When you find the group that you would like to register your student for, click View, and you can get the instructor information. You can click the student who you would like to register it for, and then Add to Cart. You will notice that there is a consent form that you will need to sign. You can click that to get to the consent form, and then you can sign from here and hit Submit. It will tell you when that is complete. You can click Add to Cart, and then you can see your cart in there. If you need to take a look at other categories, you can click Categories and then see what is available for other levels as well. And again, you can click View and Student. And if you have more than one student, you would need to sign the form for each student with each activity. When you are done, you can go to My Accounts and you can set up a payment method by clicking Payment Method. If you already have one available, it'll be up here. If not, you need to go to New, and then you can put in your information. You can either use a credit or debit card or a savings or checking account. Once you've filled out all the information, you can set this as your default and hit Save. Once you have entered your payment, you can go to My Cart and then ensure that you have what you want to pay for. Enter your email address for receipt and click Submit Payment. And yes. And then you will get a reference number. At this time, you can also go to Activity Registration and see any upcoming events for a student. So if you want to look at multiple students, you can always do a drop down. And this is also where you can see the consent form that you chose. You will also receive an email from D211 Communications that references your payment, what your student signed up for, when the activity or athletics camp will take place, where, and a contact information for the instructor, coach, or sponsor. If you have any questions, please contact your school's technology department, athletic department, or activity department. Thank you.